Now this question, if electric field is 30 is x square I, find the potential at x is equal to 2 meter. We know there's a relationship between electric field intensity and potential. What is the relationship between electric field intensity and potential? V is equal to E into D. This is the relationship. Okay. Always remember, potential is equal to electric field intensity into distance. Yeah. That means whenever we have to find the potential, we have to multiply with the distance. But if it is given in this form, okay, then as it is written over here, that means we have to integrate the electric field intensity. It becomes dx. Okay. Now we have 30x square. When we integrate, we have the formula x over n is equal to xn plus 1 over n plus 1. This is the formula of integration. So because it is beside the electric field intensity, so we integrate. Always remember it. So it becomes 30 x to the power 2 plus 1 3 over 3. Okay. Now it get cancelled, which is 10 x to the power 3. Now value of x is 2 meters. So we substitute over here 10 into 2 to the power 3, which is equal to 80. Clear? And it is potential, then its unit is joule per coulomb. If potential V is equal to 2x square volt, then find the value of electric field intensity at 1, 0, and our options are 2 voltmeter, 3 voltmeter, 4 voltmeter and 5 voltmeter. Now here also the potential is given and electric field intensity we have to find out. So there is a relationship of V is equal to ED, but we have to find electric field intensity. So electric field intensity is equal to potential over distance. That means if potential is given as 2x square, then we have to find the differentiation of the 2x square in order to get the electric field intensity. Now what is the formula for differentiation? Nx n minus 1. So we get 2 2s are 4x. Clear? Now here it is given only x, not y and z. Here the value is given only for x. So from here it is given as 1 0 2. 1 is for x, 0 is for y and z is for 2. Always remember it. That means we have to take the value 1. We substitute the value 1 over here. So our answer becomes 4 into 1, which is equal to 4 volt per meter. Potential difference is 10 volt between two plates placed at 1 centimeter. Find the electric field intensity between the two plates. For example, there are two plates. They are placed at 1 centimeter. Okay. And the potential difference between the two plates is 10 volt. We have to find the electric field intensity. That is, again we use the formula of the relationship between electric field intensity and volt. We know the formula V is equal to ED. That is, E is equal to V over D. Okay. Now what is potential? 10. And distance between the two plates is 1 centimeter. But it is given in centimeter, so we convert it into meters. That means 1 by 100. So ultimately we get 1000 Newton per coulomb. That means option number C is the right answer. Now according to question, there are two particles having same mass but different charges plus q and 4 plus 4q. They are dropped from rest under the same potential difference and we have to find between the ratio of their speed. That means there are two particles having charge plus q and having charge plus 4q. They have the same mass. They fall under same potential. So whenever they fall under same potential under a field, they have their kinetic energy is equal to the work done, which was done on that particle. Now we know from the relationship potential is equal to work done upon charge. That is, work done is equal to Q into V, and kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Now equating both of these formulas over here, we get half mv square is equal to Q into V. Now potential is constant and mass is constant. Only velocity and charges, they differ from each other. So from here we can find out the relationship between, for example, I will explain it to you thoroughly. We have for first particle half, same mass, V1 square is equal to Q, same potential. For the second particle we have same mass, V2 square, second charge 4Q and same potential. Okay. Now we divide both of them. When we divide both of them, because we have to find the ratio, these two are cancelled, this is also get cancelled. So V1 square upon V2 square is equal to Q over 4Q. Now Q and Q get cancelled. We get V1 over V2 whole square is equal to 1 over 4. That is, V1 over V2 is equal to 1:2. So option number B is the right answer. An electron is accelerated with 500 volt. Find the speed of the electron. तो जब भी इस तरह का क्वेश्चन है, यहाँ पर आप ध्यान दीजिए, यहाँ लिखा है वोल्ट और हमें स्पीड निकालनी है. तो अगर पोटेंशियल के साथ स्पीड निकालनी है तो आप याद रखिए कि आपका जो फॉर्मूला होगा कि काइनेटिक एनर्जी जो भी डेवलप होगी इलेक्ट्रॉन के अंदर, वो वर्क डन व्हेन द इलेक्ट्रॉन मूव्स इन अ पर्टिकुलर फील्ड. Okay, now work done can be found out with the using the formula potential. That means we know potential is equal to W by Q. That means we get V into Q, and for the kinetic energy half mv square, where m is the mass and v is the velocity. That means velocity square is equal to 2. This is potential V Q over m. Now it is V square, so we put over here under root. Now we put the different values. Now in the question it is given as electron. If there is any charged particle is given, and if it is charge is given, then you can put that value. Okay. Now mass of the electron, we must remember 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31, and charge on one electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. You always remember this data. Okay. Now we put under root 2. What is the potential? Which is 500 volt. What is the charge? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, and mass is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31. Okay. Now we multiply, we get 2 5s are 10. That means 1000 volt. Okay. Now we solve it. इसको देखिए हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे. ये हो जाएगा अंडर रूट 1000 इंटू 10 to the power minus 19 इंटू 10 to the power, ये minus 31 है तो plus 31 इंटू 1.6 अपॉन 9.1. इस तरीके से पहले जो पावर्स हैं इनको हम एक साइड में कर लेते हैं. तो जब ये पावर है तो 10,000 है तो 10 to the power 3 हो गया, और ये 3 और ये जुड़ गया तो आपका हो गया 34. 34 में से आप 19 माइनस कर लीजिए. 14 माइनस 9 5, 2 माइनस 1 15. तो 10 to the power 15 इंटू 1.6 इंटू ये दोनों पॉइंट हट गए, ये 91 हो गया. अंडर रूट करना है तो ये 15 पावर आ रही है. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इस 15 पावर को 14 कर देंगे, जिससे अंडर रूट निकालना आसान हो जाएगा. ये 160 हो जाएगा. ठीक. अब हमने 160 को 90 से 1 से डिवाइड किया. ये हो गया 9 1 जा 9, 10 minus 1 9, 15 minus 9 6, 9 7 जा 63. 9 7 जा 63 and it is 1. So approximately 70 into 10 to the power 14. इसको आप अप्रोक्सीमेटली पे काम करिए, क्योंकि फिर उसका आपका लगभग आंसर आप ऑप्शन से देख के कर सकते हो. नाउ इट इज 17. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 13 इज 169 एंड स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 14 इज 196. सो इसका आंसर कहीं ना कहीं 1 पॉइंट, जो ऑप्शन है 1.33 पर है. यहाँ पर दो ऑप्शन है 1.33 के, यानी अब आप पावर से भी देखिए. तो इस 14 है तो पावर आपका 10 to the power 7 हो जाएगा. तो ऑप्शन नंबर सी आपका जो है वो आंसर हो जाएगा. तो आप इसको कैलकुलेट करने में अपना टाइम मत वेस्ट कीजिए. इफ ए स्फीयर ऑफ रेडियस 0.45 मीटर हैव अ चार्ज दिस, फाइंड द वर्क डन इन ब्रिंगिंग ए 2 कूलम चार्ज फ्रॉम इन्फिनिटी टू सेंटर. मान लीजिए ये एक स्फीयर है, इसका ये रेडियस है 0.45, ठीक है. इस पर जो टोटल चार्ज है ऑलरेडी वो है 2 × 10⁻⁻10 कूलम. अब एक कोई चार्ज है जिस पर 2 कूलम चार्ज है, वो इन्फिनिटी से इसके सेंटर तक लाया गया, तो इसका क्या काम उसने किया. नाउ वर्क डन इज इक्वल टू पोटेंशियल इनटू चार्ज. दैट मीन्स चार्ज तो मेरे पास ये 2 कूलम का हो गया जो कि लाया गया, जिसको हम लाएंगे वो 2 कूलम का चार्ज यहाँ क्यों आ जाएगा, लेकिन ये पोटेंशियल निकालना है. तो पोटेंशियल फॉर अ स्फीयर या पोटेंशियल निकालने के लिए हमारे पास फॉर्मूला है KQ/R. तो K की वैल्यू हो गई 9 × 10⁻9 और टोटल चार्ज ऑन द स्फीयर तो 2 × 10⁻⁻10 और इसकी गोले की रेडियस कितनी है 0.45. लेकिन आप यूनिट्स भी चेक कर लीजिएगा, ये मीटर में है तो ये ऐसे ही रहेगा. लेकिन अगर यूनिट सेंटीमीटर में होंगी तो भी आपको वहां पर कन्वर्जन करना पड़ेगा. तो चलिए अब इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. तो हमारा पोटेंशियल हो जाएगा और वर्क डन निकालने के लिए दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो यहाँ पर Q की वैल्यू कितनी हो गई 2 और पोटेंशियल हो गया 9 × 10⁻9 × 2 × 10⁻−10 और ये चार्ज आपका क्या हो गया 0.45. ये आपका रेडियस हो गया स्फीयर का. अब यहां से आप देखिए ये अगर पॉइंट हटते हैं तो ये ऊपर 00 चला जाएगा, ठीक है. ये आप इसको ऐसे कर सकते हो 2 × 2 = 4 × 10⁻, ये -10 है तो -1 × 900/45. तो 45 2 × 90 20 हो गया. 2 4 = 80 × 10⁻−1 which is equal to 8 joule. So this is our answer. If a force of 3000 Newton acts on a charge of 3 coulomb in a constant electric field, in this question there is an area in which electric field is present. Okay. What is the potential difference between 2 points at 1 centimeter? In that electric field there are 2 points which are 1 centimeter apart. We have to find the potential difference between those 2 points. Now we have to find the potential difference and there is also an electric field. That means we use a formula V is equal to E into D. And what is the distance between 2 points, which is in 1 centimeter. Now we have to find electric field intensity in order to find the potential difference. Now it is given as force and charge. So electric field intensity is equal to force upon charge. So what is the net potential? Net potential is force upon charge into distance. Okay. So what is the value of force? 3000 Newton. And what is the value of charge? 3 coulomb. And what is the distance? 1 centimeter. We have to convert it. That is 1/100. So 2 zeros get cancelled and it is 10. So 10 volt is the proper answer. If a charge of 10 microcoulomb is placed at the corner of the equilateral triangle of 10 centimeter, find the total potential energy. Now in this case, there is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all the 3 sides are equal, having 10 centimeter side. Okay. Now at each corner, there are 3 charges of 10 microcoulomb. Okay. Here also 10 microcoulomb and here also 10 microcoulomb. We have to find the total potential energy of this system. Okay. Now, if we have to find the energy between these 2 points, we have the formula K Q1 Q2 over R. This is the formula for potential energy. Now 2 charges 10 microcoulomb and 10 microcoulomb, and we know the value of micro is 10 to the power -6 coulomb. Okay, must remember. Now value of K is 9 into 10 to the power 9. First charge 10 microcoulomb 10 to the power -6. Another charge 10 to the power -6. Clear? Now what is the distance between them? 10 centimeter. We have to convert it into meter. That is 10 upon 100. That means 100. Clear? Now we solve this. 10 and 10 get cancelled. From here, it is plus 9. It is minus 6, 12. It is 9, 10, 11, 12. That means 10 to the power 12 into 10 to the power minus 12. Both get cancelled. Now we left over with 9. So potential energy between these 2 points, let it be A and B, and let it be C. These 2 points A and B is 9. Then again it is 9 and again it is 9. So total potential energy is U1 plus U2 plus U3. And all the charges are plus 10 microcoulomb. So we have to add them because it is a scalar quantity and we get 27 joules. This is the right answer.